Target. I got some, oh my God, my hair. We're gonna do that, okay? I went to Target and I got some stuff. It's much better. I'm gonna show you what I got. This is some seasonings I had to order online because they just don't have it in the store. This is like some stuff that I'm gonna cook. And I got some more down here that's going with what I'm cooking. And then I got these Lazy Susans that I told you guys about. And this is where I'm gonna put for the people that are like, what are you gonna do with all the extra stuff that doesn't fit? It's gonna go in here and it's gonna go up there. And I got one for my bathroom too to hide like all the extra stuff that's in there. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take all this down here on this counter and then I'm just gonna put it on the Lazy Susan. I also got this step stool too because you guys know I'm short and I gotta reach the cabinet some kind of way. Now I'm just cleaning out the dirty, dusty cabinets and then I'm preparing to use my Lazy Susans. So here I'm just combining things so that way I'm not having multiples of the same thing that's taking up unnecessary space. And then I'm wiping them down because nobody likes nasty residue. Alright, so now you can see my side cabinets. They're a little tight. So I decided to use the bins. I hope that it would help like organize it better. That way I wouldn't have to stack boxes and bags of everything on top of each other just to get it to fit in the space. Now I did switch around some of the things from the other cabinet into this cabinet just because I felt it worked better over here. So most of the people that know me or follow me on social media know that I post and love aesthetic things, and this just screamed exactly that to me. Repackaging all my seasonings from their boring packaging into the glass containers with the wooden lids. I was so excited for this, and I think it was a great way to utilize my small space and make it easier to know what I'm running out of so that way I don't buy unnecessary things or have unnecessary clutter. Now the bay leaves were a little tricky because I didn't want to snap them in half while doing this, so I was a little paranoid, but I eventually got it and I think it looks really aesthetic. Okay, so next I actually got this organizer for my seasonings. You can slide it out and adjust it. It's from M Design, a little expensive, don't get me wrong, but it met my functionality needs. I wish I could show you guys a video of them in the cabinet because I had these all on one shelf and you see how small those shelves are. So it was a mess in there. So I also got this plate organizer from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. And I got a organizer from Dollar Tree that I'll be using to organize my plates and my bowls because I used to just stack them all on top of each other, but that was not working because it was not utilizing the full potential of the space. And now I'm just using this hammer that came when I got my bed. It's like a little hammer to beat the stuff in there.
What do you mean by that?
I'm using that to really give these a little bit extra oomph because they were gonna fall apart if I didn't. So here's what all that beating and banging was for. These are my new plates and bowls. I think they're so cute and aesthetic. Keyword aesthetic, okay? My old ones came broken and they were really just placeholders anyway. That's why I really wasn't mad that I received some broken. But these are the new ones. They're so much better. If you like them, they'll be linked under this video and in my Amazon storefront. Look at them. Period. I love the lip design on the plates and the saucers. However, the bowls were a little bit smaller than I thought they were going to be based on the pictures, but after using them, they actually do hold quite a bit, so I'm still happy. Also, the paranoia in this part of the video was really high because I was trying so hard to not break any of these. Oh my god. Fuck. And here I had to actually get up on the counter and resize these shelves because it was not going to fit those plates. So here's me trying to figure out how to actually take them off and reposition them. But I did it. Hooray. So unfortunately, I do not have an ice maker type of refrigerator. So what I actually decided to do, I went on Amazon again and I bought like this little contraption that's gonna make like these cute little aesthetic sphere balls of ice. And here it is. It comes with a little scooper, it comes with the instructions. Common sense should get you out of the instructions because it's not really that hard. The ice trays to make the spherical ice balls, and now I'm just gonna clean everything and get everything set up. So I used the water bottle to fill these up because I just thought it was more straightforward and simple. The only thing I will say is that it is a little bit messy when you're putting the top piece on because the water will spill out, but I still think it's good regardless because water isn't that hard to clean up.
Focus on me, baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, had a faucet running and I keep